Welcome to Horsepower Card, and in this video I will show you how to design electrical plan or electrical layout in Revit. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and also like this video, then you share. Okay, so this is how it is. So this is my first floor plan, and I want to design my electrical layout. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you the manual way of doing the electrical layout in the architectural template. Then also in our next video I will show you the automatic way of doing it in the electrical template. So the two are different. Okay, so let's go to the ceiling plan. So I'm at the first floor. This is my first floor plan. It's just a two-story building, so this is my first floor, so I'll be doing it at the first floor. So I'm at first floor, the floor plan section, so I'll move to the ceiling plan section, my first floor. So I'll open that one. So this is my ceiling plan first floor. That's where I'll be using it for the electrical layout. So I'll do it this way. So I'll first add ceiling before I'll add the electrical fixtures on this plan. So let's go to architecture tab. Then you find your ceiling over here. So the ceiling, compound plain ceiling, you can choose to use the grade ones. Okay, so I'll use the plain ones. Then my height, I'll use 3000 for the ceiling height. Okay, so I'll maintain it at this height. Then I'll come to this, but before you add the ceiling, make sure it is at automatic ceiling. So I'll place it. So I'll start from here. I'll click, I'll click, I'll click, I'll click, I'll click, I'll click, then I'll click. So I've added all the ceiling. Then I'll hit escape twice to cancel that command. So then what I have to do is to load my fixtures. So this is it. Here is at the main plan. There is a staircase over here. So here is the staircase. Then let's go to component. Okay, component, then load. So this is my electrical fixtures. If you don't have this families, I'll place a link under this video so that you can find that family, or I'll do it this way. You can chat me through WhatsApp, then I'll send this families to you. Okay, that would be better than the link. Okay. Okay, so I'll start with the socket. So with the socket, I'll use the DVI socket, this one, the normal ones everybody knows. So I'll use this one, the DVI. So I'll go open, it will load. Then the elevation, I'll maintain it at that, the 257. So I'll start from here. I'll click. So this warning is giving so let me check the view range. Unlimited. Then the offset, let me go 100. Okay, so 100. So this is my socket. Then I'll place another one here. Here at the first floor plan, here is not any room, it's just a floor, so we will not add anything over here. So let's go back to the ceiling. So nothing will be added here. Then here too, I'll add another one, then add another one here. At the washroom, there will be no socket there because that place, because of the water and the other things we do over there. at the bedroom here, I'll add one socket here, then I'll add another one here. Okay, then at the balcony, let me add one here, then this balcony too, let me add one socket here. Okay, so I'm done placing my socket. Here is a staircase, so there's no need of adding a socket over there. Okay, so we are done placing the socket. Then we have to load our fan. So let's load the fan, the ceiling fan component. Load. I'll go to ceiling fan. I'll use this one. Then I'll place one here. Okay, this one is hiding. Let me hide this bed. Okay, visible in view, and I'll hide them. Okay, so I'll place another fan too here. Then this side, let's add one fan at this side. Okay, so this is cool. Let me move these text. All right, so we are done with the fans. Let's add let's add the switches. So load family, we load switch. So I'll load a single one first. Open, then I'll place one here, one here, one here. I'll place, let me leave this side before, then at this side I'll place one here, then I'll place one here. Okay, so this is the switch. Let me also load the two-way okay, double. So double, I'll place one double here because the light at this balcony will be, let's say, 2 or 3, and here it's okay. Then let me place one here. Then this side, let me add one single switch at this side, so that when you climb the stairs to that point, you can turn on the light at this side. So let's continue. Okay, so let's add the regulators for the fans. So go to component, load family, then I'll use this general socket, this symbol for my regulator. So I'll place one here, I'll place one here, then for this fan I'll place it here. Okay, so let's go to load family again, then we load the lamp. So I'll open, so that one too is not visible. Okay, so let's check the view range. Let's check 3000. Okay, so if the view range is not working, then I'll change the elevation offset. So offset from the height, I'll make it 100 so that can be visible. Okay, so I'll place it here, one light over here. At the washroom too, there should be a light. This side there should be a light. This, there should be a light. There should be a light here, and this side there should be a light. Then here too there should be a light. Then this side there should be a light. So I'll change this, I'll delete this, socket, then make this one double. Okay, or let's maintain the first one. Then let's add another light at this side, one here, then another one here, then at this side one here, then let's add one light here. Okay, so this is the light, this is the light, the regulator, the switch, the fans, everything is okay now. So you can see them on the plan here. Okay, so let's move to the ceiling plan. Okay, so this side we are done with the placement of the outlet. We have to add our wire, so that one you use the detail line for the wire, or you can go to the systems, then you pick your wire over there, electricals, then wire is here. You start with your or you can use the detail line. So for me, I'll use the detail line. So I'll go to annotate, pick detail line, make it at medium, then I'll select the spline. So I'll start from this bedroom, so I'll click this side, come this way, click, then I'll press escape, then I'll regulator, I'll click this side, I'll click, then I'll join it to this fan. So this regulator is for the fan, and this switch is for the light. Then here, let's come to this washroom. I'll click, then join. Okay, let's go. I'll click, join. Okay, then here too, I'll click, join to this, then I'll click here, join to this one, then this regulator to, okay, this one is for this, okay. Okay, so let's remove this light, then move this one to this side a little bit, then you change this one to double switch. So I'll use a double switch for this side, then you continue with the line, come this way, join at this side, come this way, join, come this way, join. Then let's move to this bedroom 4. So I'll use this socket for this light, then this regulator for this fan, then this washroom, then this balcony. Okay, so this is the layout. I think everything is intact right now. So this is how we do the electricals. The manual way we do the electricals. For the automatic way, you have to use some, you have to base on some techniques and other functions to do that one in the electrical template. Okay, so that one will require a lamp. You have to add a lamp, not a lamp, a distributor or the panel board. You join all the sockets to that panel board the same thing applies to the other fixtures. Okay, so welcome to us power card. Subscribe to this channel, then you share, you like, you comment. If you have any doubt, you can also comment on this video. If you have any challenge too, you can also comment. I'll attend to you. Thank you for your time. See you later.